Good morning guys, today we are executing workshop seminar. Today's our topic is probability. So what is probability? It is a branch of mathematics that deals with occurrence and event. Example, we toss a coin. We will either get head or tail. We will get two possible outcomes. It is a random experiment. So getting tail, if it's definitely not, it's 0% chance. If it's probability not, we can get 10% chance we get tail. If it's maybe, it's 50% chance we will either get head or either we will get tail. If it's probably, it's 90% chance to getting tail. If it's definitely, we will 100% get it's 100% chance to get tail. So random experiment. What is random experiment? It is an experiment that have more than one possible outcome, and it's not possible to predict the outcomes in advance. In toss of coin, we can't predict we will get either head or tail. Now, outcomes. It's all possible result of random experiment that what will we get in this experiment either head or tail. So, sample space. All possible outcomes or set of outcomes are called sample space. Example, when we roll a die, outcomes will be 1 to 6. Then the set of outcomes is called to sample space. Sample space is equal to 1 to 6. And sample space is denoted by S. Now, sample point. Each element or each outcome of sample space is called sample point. Example, rolling of a die. Sample space is equal to 1 to 6. SP is equal to 1, 2, etc. Now, event. Event is subset of sample space. Example, when we toss two coins, sample space is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. So sample space of exactly one head is equal to head tail or tail head. Then event for exactly one head is equal to HT and TH. Event is subset of sample space. Now, occurrence of event. It is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now, types of events. There are three types of event that we will study in probability: impossible and sure event, simple event and compound event. First we talk about impossible and sure event. Empty set is called impossible event and whole sample space is simple event. Now example, when we roll a die, if we will say number appear more than 6, then no number is more than 6 in a die. So it is an empty set or it is known as impossible event. Then now when we say number appear even or odd, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is an whole sample space. It is called sure event. Now we will talk about simple event. So what is simple event? It is an event that have one sample point of sample space. It is also known as elementary event. Example, two coins are tossed. Sample space is called head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. Now E1 is equal to head head, E2 is equal to HT and E3 and E4. These are four simple events of corresponding to sample space. Now, compound event. It is an event that have more than one sample point of sample space. Example, when we toss three coins, sample space is equal to head head, head tail, tail head, etc. If E is the event for exactly one head, then this will HTT, THT and TTH. F for at least one head. It means we will get one tail or more than one tail. Answer will be head tail tail, tail head tail, tail head, etc. For G event, at most one head. It means one head or no head. Example, answer is tail head tail, head tail and TTH. These three events have more than one sample point of sample space, so these are example of compound event. Now we will talk about algebra of events. It is a combining of two events by using analogous set notation, which are union and intersection. These are three types of algebra of events. First, complementary events. For every event A, it corresponds another event A dash. Example, a coin toss thrice. Sample space will be this. We will get A for exactly two heads. A is equal to head tail head tail and tail head. So A dash is equal is equal to inverse of A that doesn't consist two heads, then A dash is equal to head head head, head tail tail, tail head tail, tail tail head, and tail tail tail. So A dash is equal to such that omega, where omega belongs to S but omega does not belongs to A, or A dash is equal to S minus A. Now we will talk about event A or B. When say A and B are two events associated with a sample event, then A or B, or either A or B is equal to A union B, where this is such like omega is such like omega belongs to A or B both. Example, when you roll a die twice, A is equal to first row is 1 and B is equal to sum of two score is 5. Then A sample space is this and B is this. Then A intersection B is equal to 1 and 4. Thank you.